9. Actually, no, it was 9 in the morning, but now it's like 10. I've just been laying here debating whether or not I want to go to the gym. For like the past month or so, I've been waking up at like 12 in the afternoon or 1 and going to sleep at like 2 in the morning. So that is something I want to stop doing. It's just so hard to get out of that routine when you're so used to going to sleep so late and then waking up really late as well. I was planning on going to the gym and just doing a HIIT cardio session, but I might want to do it here in my apartment. I think that's actually what I'm gonna do. So I'm going to get out of bed and then get dressed and work out.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things. Yet we keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know.
My gosh, that workout was absolutely insane. I actually kind of like working out at home. I haven't done that in a while. I'm always used to just going to the gym because I feel like if I work out at home, I'm just not as motivated. But I tried pushing myself as best as I could, and that was actually a really good workout. But anyway, I decided to vlog today because this is kind of going to be like a getting back on track type of video, and this is also my first video, so welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and I'm going to be doing some vegan videos, what I eat in a day, fitness related videos, all that fun stuff. For about a month now, I've been following this meal plan. That was actually the first meal plan I ever bought in 2016, but I've been following it because I'm the same weight now that I was when I got that plan. But here's the thing, I've been following meal plans for I think like 4 or 5 years now, and I just got in this like obsessive kind of mindset and like unhealthy relationship with food, and the last few weeks I've been having little cheats here and there, and my cheats have been healthy food, like fruit or some yogurt. I just get really hard on myself when I'm not strictly following a meal plan, and I really do want to focus on listening to those hunger cues, listening to my body and when it's actually hungry or if I just need water, and not follow meal plans so I don't feel like I'm restricted in any way. Do it in moderation and focus on really eating whole healthy foods throughout the day, and if you're consistent with that, you are going to see results. So I'm going to show you what I like to eat throughout the day that's super healthy, clean, vegan of course, and I'm really excited. Since I just worked out, I definitely need to take a shower, but I'm really hungry first. I'm probably gonna make oatmeal, and this one is my favorite freaking recipe I have ever made. So I'm gonna bring you along with me while I make it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. ate my breakfast and my camera actually died like right after I finished making it. So I took a shower, got ready, and my boyfriend David just got back from his classes. So now we're on our way to go study at one of our favorite cafes. We have a couple tests coming up, so we just decided to get out of the room, go to a cafe and study. So we're gonna take you there, and I'm probably just gonna get a coffee. I don't think I'm gonna get anything to eat. But yeah.
Hey vloggies.
What?
We're not getting in the van.
Yes, we are. We're leaving the cafe now, and I have not had like an actual lunch.
I'm not filming in the van.
Yes, I am.
No, that's terrible.
We're heading back to the apartment now.
Turn that shit off, Pooh. We're not doing it in the van.
Yes, I am.
I ate some potatoes.
Yeah, I had some potatoes and I had a latte, but I haven't had like an actual meal since breakfast. So I'm
Why
having.
are you telling them that?
Because this is like what I eat in a day and getting back on track for being fit and stuff.
7 hours of not eating.
Well, I have potatoes. So I'm gonna go home, probably make a salad or something with broccoli and use like a tahini dressing. But yeah, we're heading back now, and when we get back, I'm gonna show you my lunch. Lunch. It's just a huge salad. This salad recipe is actually from Kate Flower's Freedom Food Raw Vegan ebook, and it is so freaking good. If you're trying to switch to a vegan lifestyle, or if you're just trying to incorporate more plant-based meals, a good option to like kind of find recipes would either go on YouTube, because I have spent so many hours looking at what I eat in a day videos as a vegan, and I found so many really good recipe ideas. And also a lot of them who are making videos about like veganism and cooking recipes do have ebooks, so I did purchase almost all of Kate Flower's ebooks, and I love using her raw vegan recipes. They're so good. Also, another thing is that I never ever liked eating salads, but if you make a really good dressing, it literally makes the biggest difference. So it's been a couple hours since I had my lunch, and now David and I are going to make dinner. So we're probably gonna make a stir fry. That's normally what we usually make. This time we're gonna add some more vegetables, and we're probably gonna do my favorite dressing, which is with ginger, coconut aminos, and sesame seed oil. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, I'm gonna go make that now, and I will show you how I make it.